This California weather, it's like 90 degrees. It's making me hot and he has the same effect on me. It's just something about the way that he's making me feel. My insides are out, I just wanna shout his name. My body's giving up on me, cause I don't know what to do with my fingertips. I wanna run up through his hair, but I'm trying not to stare. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hate him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I know I could get his attention if I worked it all out, and we got a little tipsy on us.
All right, so here is my first meal of the day. It's about 10 o'clock. So last time I ate yesterday, I believe, was 5. So yeah, I'm giving a hand at this intermittent fasting, and we just came back from like running around and I was starving. I definitely did not get enough fat in yesterday, but you did see me have my cup of coffee this morning, and that's all I had so far. So, and I've been up since 3, so it's been a long morning. But what I'm having are these Amy Lou Kickin' Chicken Burgers with Cajun spices. They're already like pre-cooked. You just gotta kind of heat them up. And here is what we're working with. So 8 fat, 1 carb, 20 protein. 20 protein, my bad. Sorry, I sneezed. Allergies. Let me know if your allergies are messing with you too. But anyways, so yeah, we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna have that. And let me show you how I kind of put it all together. It's on a paper plate, so we a little bougie. But I do have 2 patties in here. If I finish it, if I do, or if not, I'll eat the rest later. But I put it on just like a lettuce burger, you know, and I put the 2 patties with 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, some pickles, some chopped up tomato, and there is some cheese in there too as well. So that's what it's looking. It's like a big old monster burger. Let me see. Damn, it's like too heavy for these little bootleg plates I got. So let me put it over here. Maybe you can see it better. Yes, girl. Look at that burger. So yeah, so there's 2 in there. So it's nice and stacked, and then I have lettuce to go over the top, and that's what's gonna be for our first meal today. And yeah, so this is gonna be kind of higher. So these patties are higher protein, not so much keto friendly, but they're definitely low carb. So for me to kind of make it more keto, that's when I went ahead and threw all that mayonnaise on there to just up my fat content. If you guys had avocado, that would be even better, but we don't have any on hand. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna eat this, and I will chat with you guys later. All right, so it turns out that like my eyes were bigger than my belly. And guys, just because you have the macros, or you have, you know, obviously the room in your way of eating to eat until you are like, what is that word? Cease? How do you say that? Satisfied? Like satisfied, yeah. So don't like overdo it and like make yourself sick. I was full, so I stopped, and I pretty much have a whole other patty left, and lettuce and stuff. I ate the tomatoes and the cucumbers, but that's the way it's rolling. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm just gonna put this up, and I'll eat the rest later, or you know, someone else can eat the rest. But yeah, but these burgers are really, really, really good, and you've seen them in my recent Costco haul. Absolutely delicious and very, very convenient, because all you really have to do is just warm them up. So good for keto on the go. All right, guys. So we just got some mail today. And literally the guy just came. So these came in the mail. These are from High Key. I don't know if you guys have seen them on Instagram, but I have seen them all over the place. And they had, so they messaged me and they're like, hey, can we send you some of my cookies? And I said, yo, send me cookies. So they sent me like a little variety of stuff. So I'm dying to try them. I always see like all the Instagrammers trying their stuff. So they sent me the cheese crunches, which are 0 carbs. Yeah, 0 carbs, 15 pieces of these. And then they sent me these mini cookies. These are the chocolate chip. So there's 2 carbs per serving, and there's 2 servings in this bag. So four carbs with this. They are sweetened with erythritol. So if you guys are, you know, concerned. But then I was excited for this because I love like oatmeal and stuff like that. So it's instant hot cereal. This is the strawberries and cream. So 2 net carbs, 12 grams of fat, 9 protein. I don't know. I'm excited. So anyways, let's open these bad boys up and see what they about, shall we? Let's see. Alright, so they come in like a sealed little bag. Okay, and this is about the size of the cookie. so you guys can see. It's like a decent size. It's like those like ones your kids get in like the little snack boxes. Whew, my hair. All right, let's try it out. Okay. Those are freaking delicious. They are freaking delicious. They're crunchy, they're sweet, they're delicious. Hell yeah. Ready, you wanna try cookie? If you make it for me. You wanna try a cheese crunch? Let's try a cheese crunch. Same kind of bag, which I dig. You guys can see. I'm not really like a cheese crisp person, but these kind of look like those like wisps or whatever they're called. You guys can see. There you go. All right, we're gonna try this. Real crunchy. Mmm. They're good. They taste like Cheez-Its, like real crunchy Cheez-Its. I would put those on my salad and act like a crouton. Those would be really, really good in a salad. Okay, so far I'm not gonna try this. I don't want to like open up all these things, but I mean, I'll feature it in another video probably. But yeah, I'm gonna snack on a couple more of these and just kind of call it a. Leo ended up eating that other piece of that burger. So yeah, that's kind of what we're doing. I need to go to the gym. I am running on very low sleep, but my friend over, Kim, over at Free to Family, she sent me a sample of this and I've been wanting to try it. I just never have, and I know a ton of people use these therapeutic ketones. I don't really use any of this stuff. I've honestly, and it's not knocking anybody, I just find their prices to be very high, so they're kind of intimidating. So I never even bothered to try it just because I was like, damn, that's a lot of money, you know? So this is the Heart Tart Charged, and I'm running on no energy, and I don't want to have another cup of coffee. So I'm gonna give this a try. This has 1 carb per packet, so 5 carbs, 4 sugar alcohols. I'm gonna turn it around so you guys can see. So yeah, this is what it's looking like. And she said to mix it with just some ice and water in a shaker cup. So that's what I plan on doing. And then I'm gonna try to get my butt to the gym. So I'll let you guys know how this worked out for work as a pre-workout. I have been seeing a lot of people using these on like doing like experiments to see if it knocks them into ketosis. And I guess it really does. Like they test their ketone levels, like their blood ketone levels, and they legit are seeing results. But like I said, I mean, I would love to use these, but they're very expensive, so I just haven't. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and when I get ready to go to the gym, I'm gonna try this, and then we'll do a taste test together. But that's gonna be my pre-workout for today. All right, so I just did a power nap because I got up at 3 in the morning with my dog because he was sick. Having a dog is legit having another child. If you're thinking about getting another dog, I highly recommend it, but it for sure is like having another child. Look at this cabinet open. That was me too. I can't even talk about my damn kids. That was me. But anyways, haven't gone to the gym yet. I should balance on a box. I haven't gone to the gym yet, but Leo wants to go ahead and take the girls fishing because he's on vacation today, and his vacation was cut short. So it's not even 2 o'clock. It's like 1:49. So I'm gonna go ahead and give these a whirl. Like I said, I haven't tried them. I'm gonna go to the gym later on, and I'm just gonna use a different pre-workout. Wow, that smells really good. Okay, so I just got a cup full of ice and water. There we go. It says on here for optimal nutrition, you should use these twice a day. I don't know. Like I said, I don't want to have coffee right now. So I'm just gonna give this a whirl. Oh, I can even taste it. It tastes sweet. The powder that I got in my mouth. So again, this is the Keto OS Nat Pure Therapeutic Ketones from PRUVIT. So that's what the package looks like. I like the packaging. I mean, that's cool. So let's see. And I just put it in a shaker cup. Smells good. All right, let's see what it tastes like. I mean, it's okay. Wanna try it? Those are those therapeutic ketones. It like throws you right into ketosis. Leo's gonna try it, so let's see. It tastes, no, it just tastes okay.
Like strawberries?
Yeah. It tastes okay. So, it's supposed to be like an alternative to coffee.
Oh,
and it's supposed to like make you feel real good because it's gonna give you all the ketones and throw you right into ketosis. All right, so we're gonna
it's got a good little fresh flavor.
yeah. You know how, should I tell you? Becky, turn that down. Have you ever seen the price tag on these?
Well, they're different, no? There's some that are like real super cheap, and then there's some that are like really expensive. I heard the cheap ones are shit.
I heard this is the big box of it, and I want to say like the big box of it was like $800.
Yeah.
I said, Lord, Jesus, I'll just take my free samples. If y'all want to send me some free samples, send me some free samples. Other than that, my cheap self will just be faking the funk. But all right, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna drink this. I'm gonna take it with me, and then I'll check in. I'll tell you how I feel. I don't know. You guys want to go fishing? Let's go fishing. All right.
Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young. It doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like. There ain't nobody like. You look so beautiful. And I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Talking by yourself and you make me smile. I can listen all night long. I tell you about the time when I first met you, listening to our favorite song. Walking on the street when you caught my eye. Something about the way you move. No, there ain't nobody like. There ain't nobody like. So lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. 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 Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000.
All right, so we're just getting done fishing. It's 4:30. Update on those ketones. They actually didn't taste too good. Me and Leo split them. They were good. He really liked them, definitely. So we're gonna actually go ahead and we're gonna get a few days worth and we're gonna try it out because, you know, we're just trying to live our best keto lives and stuff. But we're gonna go ahead and take the kids for ice cream. We should just take her to McDonald's because they get like the $1 sundaes or whatever. I'll probably just get a large Diet Coke because it's $1. But Leo picked one of these up for me at the gas station. It is the 100% beef stick. It's one of these bad boys here. And then if you guys can see, it's only 2 carbs for the whole thing. I already ate it. He bought me 2 of them. These were really good, really good. So, all right guys, I'm gonna go ahead and I'll check with you when we get home and make dinner. All right, so I just threw dinner together. We are doing egg roll in a bowl. So basically I just took, I don't even know how many pounds, maybe 1.5-ish pounds of ground beef. I browned them up in a frying pan, and then I just drained out the grease. I added a bag of coleslaw mix, and then I'm gonna show you what I seasoned it with. I took a couple dollops of minced garlic, a little bit of rice vinegar. Make sure that it has 0 carbs. Let me see if I could. There you go. 0 everything. So yeah, I seasoned it with a little bit of, sprinkled a little bit of that on there. And then I took some of the Bragg's liquid aminos. So this is really good for us guys. And then I sprinkled a little ground ginger, and then I added some, and then I tasted, and then I added some, and then I tasted. And yeah, I actually made this with ground pork a few weeks ago, and it was really good. So I'm kind of regretting not having ground pork. But right here, this burnt ass cauliflower thing, I am like trying to make like almost the crunchy egg roll shell, if it makes sense. So what I'm using are these cauliflower egg thins. Okay, they're 0 carbs, 0 everything. They're just real thin, they're real flimsy. But since we're having the egg roll in the bowl, I wanted to make, like, I love the like the crispy crunch of the like egg roll, you know. So I was trying to make, like, fry these up. I mean, I burnt it a little bit. I don't know. I mean, yeah, I kind of let that one go. But they're kind of hard because they are really thin. But nonetheless, I'm just going to go ahead and try to use it. Yeah, that one's burnt to shit. Let's try that again. But yeah, I'm going to plate up everything. I'm going to try not to burn a couple of these. These are like hella thin. Like, I can barely even take it out of the thing with my nails because I keep ripping holes in them. But like I said, I'm going to try to go ahead and make a couple of these and then use them to like scoop. So that's the plan. So yeah, we got egg roll in the bowl, cauliflower egg thins frying up right here to kind of make us chips. I'm gonna plate everything up. Again, rice vinegar, liquid aminos, ground ginger, and some garlic. And that's it. All right, here we go. Let me plate this up. I'll be right back. Okay, so here is my bowl. So I just have obviously like my egg roll in a bowl here. I'm gonna put it down so you guys can kind of get a better view. But really easy meal, guys. You just kind of toss everything together and season it up, and if you have the ground beef defrosted, this meal can be ready in 10 minutes. And then here is that crispy cauliflower crust thing. I just went ahead and I got this one a little bit better, so you can see you can fold it and then just put your filling in there. So yeah, that's what's for dinner. All right guys, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna wrap up this video. We did end up going to McDonald's, and I just got a large pop. And yeah, the kids had ice cream. It was a good day. We did some fishing, you know, I included all that in. But yeah, I'm gonna finish up, have dinner with my family, and then I am going to head to the gym because I need to get this workout in because this week has been super hectic. So hopefully you guys like the meal options and stuff. If you guys are interested in trying out those cookies, I mean, they are phenomenal. I'm so glad they came today so I could share them with you guys. I'll leave their Instagram down below. Check them out. And then if you guys are interested in trying any of those natural ketones, I'll link my friend Kim's like channel down below. And if you have any questions, you could just totally hit her up because I know that's like her business and stuff. So, all right, guys, I love you so much, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, guys.